And we do now want to check the road conditions, and our Maria Wilson is out there for us in our storm tracker. And Maria, where are you now?
So Aaron, right now we are on 101A in Nashua, and we took a little bit of a break from the highway to see what some of these other areas are looking like, and we are seeing pretty much a sea of white out here this morning. It's impossible to tell where the lines are on this road. Visibility, you can't even see the street light that's not too far ahead of us. You can faintly see a little bit of green in the background, but in terms of visibility, it is definitely a struggle out here. One thing that I do want to notice, you can kind of tell how much snow is starting to accumulate by the tire cam that we have here. You can actually see how well defined the tread marks are in the snow and whatnot. And part of that is just because now we're starting to see that accumulation from snow. When we take a look at the sidewalks as we're driving by, it looks like, if I had to guess, about 3 or 4 inches of snow has already fallen. Don't quote me there, but travel out here has been really difficult this morning. And now that we're off the highway, one other thing that we've really noticed is this isn't the first big snowstorm we've had of the season. And so there's that big question that a lot of people are asking is, where are we going to put all of this snow? The snowbanks in parking lots along the sides of the road, they're already starting to climb. And then of course the concern then becomes, once you're in intersections, you're going to have to start creeping out to be able to try to see oncoming traffic, and that poses its own concern that'll realistically last even past today.
And Maria, as you're driving around, are you noticing the plow trucks out there, both for the roads and for the parking lots?
We definitely have a lot of these parking lots that we've passed have been cleared out already, and we have been seeing DOT and other plow trucks out on the highways and the main roads. It comes to the point where actually you not so much here, but in other spots you can see exactly where one pass was made before they come around and make the second pass. Coming up where we are right now, you can see the right-hand side of the road is far closer to pavement. You can see more pavement than on the left side, and that is really just a testament that the plow drivers have been out and they are working as quickly as they can here.